A Tennessee mother caught on tape driving away from New Mexico state cops goes before a judge. Good evening, I'm Tina Jensen. A dash cam video of a state police officer firing at the tires of Oriana Farrell's van full of kids went viral, catching national attention. Today, her attorney wanted to get the case tossed out, saying the state isn't handing over the information they need. News 13's Kayla Ayers has the latest from Taos.
The judge granted parts of the defense's motion and denied some parts as well, but made it clear today the case will move forward as scheduled. Farrell sat quietly in court as her attorney asked for a string of items, including the state's witness list, the crime scene investigation report, and the state police internal investigation that was conducted afterward.
What I'm asking for basically is that the court issue an order either dismissing the case or with some appropriate sanctions. And the one that I can think of right off the top of the head is they can't put anybody on the witness list that wasn't on there yesterday as of 3:30.
In late October, Farrell of Memphis drove away from state police after she was stopped for speeding outside of Taos. When Farrell was stopped a second time, she and her 14-year-old son struggled with the officer. He used his baton to break out a window on the van. Farrell then sped off as Officer Elias Montoya showed up. He fired his gun at the van's tires. Inside the van were Farrell's 5 kids ages 6 to 16. Police say she then led them on a high-speed chase that ended when she stopped in front of a Taos hotel. State Police Chief Pete Cassettis called for an internal investigation into the shooting. Montoya was later fired. The state argued the results of that internal investigation aren't needed for the case against Farrell and that the dashcam video speaks for itself.
Any determination by the state police doesn't make a fact in this case more or less true, and in fact it invades in the province of the jury in determining whether Miss Farrell committed the crimes of child abuse, aggravated fleeing, and I believe possession of drug paraphernalia, Your Honor.
The judge has ordered the state police internal investigation be turned over to the court within 10 days. He'll then determine if all, some, or none of the investigation will be handed over to the defense. The judge made it clear he wants everything he ordered today accomplished on deadline so the case stays on track. Farrell declined to comment following the hearing. As of now, the trial is scheduled for October. In Taos, Kayla Ayers, KRQE News 13.